Hello and welcome to Makula. Similar to how you can upload in bulk your assets, you can also do the same for companies and contacts. To import your companies into the system, go down to Settings, navigate to Company Management, and you will see an Import Data function here. Click Companies and go through these. This tells you everything that is required to bring your companies into the system. For example, the company ID is required and must be unique, because one company in Makula cannot have the same ID as another company. The company name is required as well. Again, here duplicate values are allowed. Two companies can have the same name, but not the same company ID. The street, city, and postal code will be combined into a single address field. Again, this is optional, not mandatory. You can add a parent company because Makula handles company hierarchies where, say, you have one company with multiple locations or sites. You can just assign the parent company as a parent company for each of the different sites or locations they have. Again, these two will usually be unchecked. If you want to overwrite existing data with empty fields that you're now bringing in with a new upload, and perhaps you had already brought in an upload previously, you would then select this. Or if you wanted to overwrite existing data with new data that you're now bringing in, say, for example, for certain custom fields that you had missed out previously when you brought the companies in, you would then select this. We'll keep it simple for now and just go next. You will choose a file or choose to manually enter your data. Let's choose a file. Once your sheet is loaded, it will ask you to confirm that your first rows are your column headers. And then you will have to match or map your column names to Makula fields so that the data is brought in into the corresponding Makula fields. Here, my Kundan number is my company ID, which is correct. My name has been mapped to my name, which is also correct. This is my street. Let's say I wanted to say land is the city that this company is from. The description I do not want mapped. The parent asset ID is not the parent company ID. So I will ignore this and I will confirm. As soon as I confirm, the next step will show me if there are any errors, if there are any duplicates, and we can see that there are quite a few. Company IDs, again, value must be unique. This just means that this is appearing somewhere else in this column as well. As we can see here, we've got Pulse Flexible Packaging, the name of the customer, but then I've got two rows with the same ID. Now, this just lets me know that I need to go back to my sheet and make sure that Pulse Flexible is only appearing once with this ID. And of course, if there are any child companies for this company, they would just be in other rows with this corresponding company ID as the parent ID for that company. So I would ideally go back, fix my sheet, come back, re-upload it, and then finish to bring all of these companies in. That's all for how to bring companies into the system. If there's anything else that you're looking for help on, check out our other videos. Thank you.